Morning, sir. I am Jerry Taghap. I discussing the basic and common exercises, and I demonstrate the head to toe warm up exercises. What is the basic warm up exercises and its importance? Discuss briefly. Gentle warm up for 5 to 10 minutes before you begin stretching. This can consist of a brisk walk, light jog, or jumping jacks to get your muscles warm and your heart pumping. In general, warm up by focusing first on large muscle groups such as your hamstrings. This you can do exercises more specific to your sport activity. If necessary, begin by doing the activity and movement patterns of your chosen exercises, but allow slow pace that gradually increase in speed and intensity. What are the common basic exercises? Enumerate and discuss. Some other example of warm-up exercises are leg bends, leg swings, shoulder arm circles, jumping jacks, jumping ropes, lunges, squats, walking, a slow jog, yoga torso twist, standing side bends, lateral shuffles, butt kickers, knee bends, and ankle circles. Legs and bend your knees to 90 degrees so that your thighs are vertical, your shins are horizontal. Maintain this angle at the hips and knees during the exercises. Leg swings are a dynamic movement that helps to prepare the hip flexors and legs for movement. They are simple and easy to perform before a run or other activity and will help to increase your mobility and flexibility. The arm circle is a non-weighted exercise targeting the shoulders. It involves extending your arms to the sides and drawing small circle in the air with your hands. It is common in warm-ups for both training and athletes. It is often performed simply until someone feels a burn rather than a set amount of reps. Jumping jacks, also known as star jump and called a side straddle hop in the US military, is a physical jumping exercise performed by jumping to a position with the legs spread wide and the head going overhead, sometimes in a clap, and then returning to a position with the feet together and the arms at the side. Jumping rope, the activity, game, or exercise in which a person must jump, bounce, or skip repeatedly while a length of rope is swung over and under. Both ends held in the hands of the jumper or alternately held by two other participants. A squat is a strength exercise in which the trainee lowers their hips from a standing position and then stands back up. During descent of a squat, the hip and knees joint flex while the ankle joint. A squat is a strength exercise in which the trainee lowers their hips from a standing position and then stand back up. Ankle circles, stand upright with your feet hip width apart and your arms by your side. Shift your weight to the right leg and point your left toes down to the ground. Start rotating your left foot, making small circles with your ankles. Start demonstrating the head to toe warm up exercises. Number 1, head turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 2, head tilt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 3, chin up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 4, shoulder rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 5, arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 6, side bends. Number 7, knee kicks. Number 8, leg swing. Number 9, lunges. Number 10, squat. Number 11, ankle circles. That's our all head to toe warm up exercises. Thank you.